Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss numericals on the radiation. First of all, write down the numerical. Radiation strikes an object with transmittivity of 0.03 and reflectivity of 0.5. The absorbed flux is indirectly measured 94 watt per meter square. Compute incident flux. So in this problem, they have given, see, whenever any rays incident on any surfaces, some part of the radiations will be absorbed, some part of radiation will be reflected, and some part of the radiation will be transmit over there. So in this problem, they have given the transmittivity and the reflectivity value. Also, they have mentioned the amount of heat absorbed or absorbed flux directly on the surface. So, we don't know the value of absorptivity. So, once you got the value of absorptivity, then and then only you can calculate the amount of incident radiation, because absorbed flux they have mentioned in this problem. So we have the relation alpha plus gamma plus tau equal to 1. So they have given alpha value, tau value. So tau value and the gamma value. So we can calculate the value of alpha here. So we can calculate by substituting the values alpha plus 0.5 plus 0.03 is equal to 1. So we are getting alpha is equal to 0.47. Now once you got the alpha value, you have the relations. As per the relation, alpha is equal to QA upon Q. So as you are finding the value of alpha and they have given the value of QA, you can substitute in this equation 0.47 is equal to 94 divided by Q. So the value of Q is becomes 200 watt per meter square. So while discussing this problem, they are asking us the incident radiation. So this is the incident radiation. They are asking us to calculate the incident radiation, and they have given the QA value, and also they have mentioned the tau and alpha transmittivity and the reflectivity values. They are not giving the directly absorptivity value. So by using this relation, we have calculated the absorptivity, and in the absorptivity formula we can substitute the values and we can easily get the amount of heat radiated. So this is the first numerical. The length of the numerical is very short, but due to the formulas it has the weightage of the 6 marks. So these 6 marks radiation numerical problems will be asked in the examinations. Now second numerical we are going to discuss. Write down the numerical. 100 watt per meter square of the energy is incident over opaque surface. Keep in mind they have mentioned the opaque surface maintained at 27 degrees Celsius. Emissivity of this surface is 0.2. Calculate the amount of energy flux reflected from it and calculate its radiosity. So they have given the value of alpha, which is equal to 0.2. Also they have given temperature T is equal to 27. So this is in degrees Celsius. We have to convert in Kelvin format. So this is equal to 300 Kelvin. And they are asking you to find out the radiosity. So whenever we are going to calculate radiosity, we require Q reflected plus Q emitted. Okay, amount of the reflected heat and the amount of the emitted heat, this additions gives you the radiosity J. Okay, which is denoted by letter J. Now while calculating this, first you have to calculate the reflected value. Okay, Q reflected. So for calculating this Q reflected, we have the relation Q reflected is equal to Qn into gamma. Okay, so I am just saying how to solve the problem with reverse. Okay, so they are asking you to calculate the radiosity, but while calculating this radiosity we require the Q reflected and the Q emitted, but Q reflected is unknown. So first we have to calculate Q reflected. For calculating Q reflected, they have given Q in and gamma we require, and just they are not giving the value of gamma, but for calculating value of gamma they have mentioned the surface is the opaque, and we know that for opaque surface, as we have the relation alpha plus gamma plus tau is equal to 1, but for opaque surface we know that this tau value, this becomes equal to 0. So for opaque surface we know that the equation modifies alpha plus gamma is equal to 1. Now in this equation alpha value they have mentioned. So alpha value 0.2 plus gamma is equal to 1. So gamma becomes 0.8. So this is first we are finding, as we are getting the gamma value, we have to substitute over here Q in. Okay, Q in, how much value they have given? They have given 100 watt per meter square energy is incident on opaque surface. So they have given the Q in value. So 100 into 0.8. So this value becomes 80 watt per meter square. Okay. Now you are getting the Q reflected values. Once you got the Q reflected value, you are writing over here 80 plus. Now you require to calculate the emitted value, and we know that Q emitted is equal to sigma into emissivity into T raised to 4. And for this we have the relation plus sigma value. We know that Stephen Boltzmann constant 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8. Sigma value we have substituted into emissivity. They have mentioned emissivity they have given 0.2, and we have converted temperature in the Kelvin format. So we are getting all the values. After solving this, radiosity J becomes 171.85 watt per meter square. Okay, just see how we have solved this problem. They have given the in this problem they are asking you to calculate radiosity, but while calculating the radiosity we require the Q reflected and Q emitted value. But Q emitted value we can calculate sigma into emissivity into T raised to 4. Sigma constant value, emissivity value they have mentioned, emitted value they have given 0.2, temperature they have given, we have converted into the Kelvin format. So we can calculate this value easily, Q emitted. But for calculating the Q reflected, we know that Q reflected is equal to Q in into the gamma. But in this problem they have not given the gamma, they are just mentioning the opaque surface, okay, and they have given the value of alpha, and we have the relation alpha plus gamma plus tau equal to 0, and for opaque surface we know that tau is equal to 0 and equation modifies alpha plus gamma is equal to 1. So we can calculate the value of gamma, which becomes 0.8, and this value we are substituting in this equation 0.8, and incident radiation they have given 100, so we can easily calculate Q reflected is the 80 watt per meter square. Next, as we are getting the reflected, we are substituting in this equation 80 plus Stefan Boltzmann constant 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 watt per meter square Kelvin raised to 4. This Stefan Boltzmann constant value and 0.2 emissivity they are given in the numerical, and the temperature they are converted into the Kelvin format, and we are getting the radiosity 171.85 watt per meter square. So in this way we are solving the problem related with the radiation. So this all about the today's lecture. Thank you.